Welcome to this video demonstration of connecting up your smartphone in a Hyundai. When I say connecting it up, I mean via the USB cable. So the first thing you want to do is find the USB connection on the car, which in the case of the Hyundai Tucson, which is the car we're in, is right down in the bottom of the center console area here. So plug that in, plug the other end into your phone, and that's now charging. If we go back up onto the main screen, we've got various different settings. What we want is media, and then it will play, which is doing now, any music that, in the case of the iPhone, that you've got on your iTunes account. You can, using the buttons up here, you can actually get a list of all of the tracks that are in your iTunes library. You can either go via artists, via songs, and obviously there's not a lot of music actually on my particular device, but it goes without saying that you can fit thousands upon thousands of songs on your phone, depending on the size and memory of the device. So if we hit play there, we can go back to the main menu on the media there and hit play on that button. We can listen to any of the music that's in our phone.